Hi guys, welcome to the Designer's Den. We're back and I'm here with Annie. And this season where there's tax seasons coming up and you're doing things like that, I always wonder about working remotely and if you're wanting to study or do homework or even just manage your household from your house, about creating a really great home office. What do you think, Annie?
I think that's a great idea, and we are sitting in an amazing collection to start that executive home office where you can do all of those things all in one spot.
Right. I think American Furniture Warehouse has every single piece that you need to create that, right?
We do everything, starting with the bookcase walls that we create, just like you see in those high-end fashion magazines and in those high-end homes. You can get that look in your home for a lot less.
A lot less. We have such a great value. And I love how the bookcases are kind of flanking everything and kind of grounding. And they also serve as a great function, right?
They do.
They hold a lot of display items, any books or catalogs that you have. And some of them have the doors in them so you can hide away some of your storage, or they can be open bookcases. But I love how this is flanking on either side and just kind of giving that weight to the executive office look, right?
And then we have a great filing cabinet that adds to that really high-end look for that executive look.
Yes, I love that. And again, it's like a functional piece, but it's really handsome. And then it also gives you an opportunity to put like your dry erase board up, or like what we've done, we've put some art here. You could put a mirror, but it's really nice place where you can still file all of your belongings and be organized. And just, this is a great start to building this really nice executive home office to do all of those things that you do in your home.
So you have a couple of choices when you need to get to the desk. We have executive desks, and an executive desk is just, you have a whole lot of storage on the side, so everything you need to run that household is just sitting inside that desk.
And I love it. It's got that really heavy feel, more like an executive desk that you'd walk into an actual office, like your business office. So you can really create that right at home, right?
Right.
And I think one of the things that's really nice about doing this executive office is you can really ground it with an area rug, and you can add the accent chairs on either side. So for your company or for who you're doing business with, I always think it's really important to add a really good desk chair too.
A really comfortable desk chair.
Yes, very stately, perhaps, for an executive office.
Yes.
Now we've got some other choices for a desk, don't we?
We do. So if you don't like that big executive desk look, we have another desk choice.
I love this. This is really nice.
So we have another desk. Most of our collections come with a writing desk where you lose the big pedestals with the filing cabinets on it, and you just have a couple simple drawers to hold all of your belongings, but you still have that ability to run your whole household.
Right.
And the way our bookcases are set up, you still have storage, so you don't lose that if you choose to go with the writing desk.
Absolutely. And the writing desk kind of gives you a little bit more of a fashion statement if you want. And it's also, if you're dealing with a smaller area for your home office, it creates a little bit more air. It's a little lighter, and it has more of a pedestal open base to it. So you can have a little bit more of that light feel when it's in a smaller space, don't you think?
Yep.
I love it. So I think we should show them some other ideas too.
I think so too.
Shall we take a look?
Let's take a look.
Awesome. So Annie, here we are in such a wonderful setup of this executive desk that you can create in your home.
You can mimic that high-end look out of all the magazines for the home office that you have in your home, or that second bedroom that you created to be your home office, with that bookcase and filing cabinet combo for that great wall, your really comfort chair, your desk, and your seating area where you can manage your whole household from.
That's right. So come to AFW because we can help you create the perfect home office for you. We can't wait to see you at our next Designer's Den.